Assalamu alaikum. We human, wherefore we are try to suffering, try to fighting, try to exploring. Okay, I can create the elevator. A3 program. Where the atomic center. I mean, everyone know neutron, proton, but and then what they are like a command program. I mean like a microphone. I mean, I am speaking. I am calling. I get the order to change the atomic shape. Like a nucleus center, where their microphone. Like a whole creation, whole like a 200 billion every snap. There are gravity. Where their microphone. Now we clear understand. This is the three key for we are suffering. Now second thing is why for we are suffering, because this is human happiness. Human happiness is Lord give the three key do make like a water, and then they change like your emotion. That is our like a mission or the vision for we are try to fighting what there we are like living. We think we are many kind of organ with like someone called 78 or 79, but have no one, maybe they are disabled or they are sleepy. Have more one, maybe they are sleepy or they are disabled, and with anatomy and with different cell and with different cell blood also. We know the planet have like uncountable like their gene. I mean animal gene. Here Muslim give a pale of three, like a bird group, like a undersea, and then what they are like a field animal. Both are three are like 18,000 animal. Their gene also. Now think all gene are like a human food. All gene are like a human food. We are dependent on there. Doesn't mean these are like a corruption or corrupted. Why for I am eating cow milk, so for I need to maintain cow water. Doesn't mean I do eat goat, I do eat their bird, anything, eggs or fish. Doesn't mean I am human. All are human. Doesn't if the animal try to meat, why you eat my meat or anything? Why do you so for the animal call to maintain my water? That time how can you? Because we human depend on 18,000 animals. Anyways, the thing if they call, this is number 2. Now I try to make it like more of them. When our children are like schooling or visit college, their university, I mean all of school of education. If that time they call, no, why for you meet, why for you drink like my milk? So for I make reg, a goat, like a horse, like a sheep, like a anything, camel. That time, what there is school. That's mean they call today I am when I'm on Nord and that time I'm called why for our children. Doesn't mean this is only an animal signal. Why for you do involve with like animal signal? That time they do not know. Then I'm going only we are human for fighting. Human why for human for fighting? Human how to be developed like their anzilia. Not angel. We are angel for fighting. Doesn't mean we are below like a human to animal. Why for you like a involved with like animal is sperm signal. To involve with like a human sperm signal. And when you involve with like a human sperm signal, that time all the human children, thousand like a Muhammad bin Rashid, their grandson, granddaughter, they are involved with this. If their soul, their intention, I mean their any kind of attention involved with like a animal sperm signal, then they follow animal rules and how they do it, they X, Y, Z. But here we the human we give only the human gene, human gender, human DNA, human chromosome, human sperm signal only. Whatever they are starting in the whole world, say I give that particular like a 94 megahertz. Doesn't mean these are starting. Their children are 24 hours involved with only a human sperm. Why for human sperm? Because of human sperm signal, and then they develop photosynthesis, and then their photosynthesis code, and then their photosynthesis. One day they become a full light. Oh, they are welcome to the light. New call, and thousand years every religion call with the NTA. They are also called welcome to the light. Why for light? But light is the key. Because light is the key. Whole world atomic center where their microphone. If you are light, then microphone take your order. Where the center, like a nucleus center, when you like become a light, then nucleus accept your order. Whether you are become a light, then whole world gravity, like every second, like every snap, like 200 million, any kind of galaxy, they maintain your order. So far we are trying to how do we become a light? How do we become a light? That is the reason for people. Doesn't mean we humans back to the animal. Here some other one called how we do, like some horse son also here, some cat son, rat son, tiger, like lion. How they do? That's called if they are genetically like a form of animal. Therefore also how to be human only. That means they are also bound to follow what is the human sperm signal. Doesn't mean they here constant animal flavor. And you know the Rabon, whole world know if Rabon develop their sperm signal, that's mean they you know the like a crazy butcherism like a animal sex because of human are weak. Human can't like anything they can't maintain like they are animal type of animal their sex. So for they play. This is the powerful black soil. This is the powerful any kind of that time also we know gamma are a extreme craziness power because they involve with gamma sex. So what they play, they are 24 hours. They are sperm signal. Like when our children are in case of they involve with animal sperm, their signal. That's when these are more than drug addiction. More than that time, when they involve with drug addiction, that time they are rising. Their sense are rising. They are falling like a danger. That time they involve with like any kind of ammonia, like a drug, or there any kind of frustration happen. Any destructive their thing. They are animal. 18,000 animal sperm signal. How one life they control whole sex part. Whole animal if they are lion son, if they are tiger son, if they are camel son, they are also must be following like a human sperm signal. What they in North, Tanzania, and you know that they are must be if government do not give the order, black eye. You know the police sunglasses, they look like a black, but they are who the police use like a police sunglasses, they know they are intervening like a green. They are intervening like a green. Doesn't mean these are only a black. So for example, they children are rising with like a black ammonia addiction with, and then what is they children are rising like a animal sperm signal with. If AO is Dubai, then how can who the bloody animal? Every whole world know they bloody animal are rising. Why for they are rising? This is the Dubai because of here have mother milk. Mother milk is therefore powerful any kind of gamma. So for the animal, they bloody 70,000 metric fat animal. They are black dark with rising. They are like a sperm. They are sperm signal with rising. Here we human, what the human children like a Muhammad bin Rashid, their grandson and daughter, they are falling like a ammonia. They are rising. They make a brown. They make a powerful like a black matrix. where there 70,000 angel generation, they never born in again in Arabia. So what your decision? What your decision? Black class for school bus or animal sperm for school? Where there Angelia? How we rising? How develop like our children? Where they like they become like angel and then they eat they easily. They easily make water. Whole atom will change like a way. Whole nucleus will change like and whole gravity. That time whole gravity, whole world, whole universe, they are handcuffed. That is for we human wait for a three key. Now a three key for only the government try to border to stop black glass and to stop animal sperm because of their children. They are rising. If they are sucking sex involved with like animal, you know the 18,000. Never. If they fall in animal gamma, they never like become like a light. But then we Aisha, you know they are only for it. Ophia, only for blind light. The whole world knew also. So far today successfully and again. Thank you, Baba. Salam. I hope everyone clearly understands.